times you let me go.
Alright, hi guys! Welcome to today's vlog. We're going to Frank & Sons again. I'm pretty sure by the time this video will go up, my last Frank & Sons like $20 challenge video will be up. We just stopped at our local Trader Joe's to pick up some lunch because we're gonna get there before they open, so we figure we just like eat in the car and then go in since we'll have time. We just want to get a better parking spot. But yeah, we'll be heading up there. I'm gonna be finishing one of my last assignments for one of my college courses, so I'm gonna try and get that knocked out. Hopefully by the time we get there, that would be like the ultimate goal, if not on the way back. So we'll see how long I get and I'll update you guys. And then we're gonna see, might be doing like a challenge at Frank & Sons and like seeing what we can get. Last time we did $20, so we'll kind of see. I don't think I'm gonna put like a number yet until I kind of like see what's out there. But I'll like, it'll be like something like even, you know, like $50, like $30, something like that. So it can be posted.
Think about the times you let me go. Falling through the cracks, emotional. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your bed, silence breaks my heart.
Alright, we're back from Frank & Sons. We didn't end up picking up too much. We spent like $15 plus like tax. It was 16 bucks. I'm trying to hold my camera up with my knees. But yeah, I tied it. And I picked up one of my like favorite things. I'll show you. I think those little squishmallow things. They sell them for like $5. I got one of the last times you were here. Well, Ben got it for me for my birthday. I have this little snail Sid. And these are like my little emotional support squishes. So I keep them with me in my purses and stuff. And yeah, I got some more. So we're gonna see what we got. These are a pain to open, let me tell you. What do you think I got? There's like a... Nope.
Wait, you actually have the little octopus in there too?
That's a jellyfish, like a crab, a shark, a dragon, the Dalmatian, although I'm pretty sure I knew which ones were the Dalmatian. I think he's cute and I won't be disappointed if I got him. But I like the weirder ones.
Is that why you're trying to avoid him?
I don't dislike him, I don't know. After watching like Cruella de Vil's movie, I don't really like Dalmatians.
I just think Dalmatians are evil now.
No, I just have a bad experience. Oh my god. Yeah, start trying to open this one.
Okay, the next one.
I'm gonna be here the whole time. I'm gonna use the PO key.
That's what I was gonna use.
I was using my closet key, which is also sharp, but this, ow,
Yeah, don't cut yourself though.
this plastic, like, I get it, they don't like little kids at stores to open them, but this is a big kid's toy store. Or at least that's what I would compare Frank & Sons to.
How the heck are you supposed to open these?
They have like a middle opening, so I was thinking like if you... Frickin' A. I'm gonna like set up my camera. I can't do this with my knees. Okay. Please stay. You got one? He got one.
I figured out the trick. This key has like a hook to it.
Oh my god. I think it's a dragon. That looks nothing like the dragon in the picture. Oh look. I just got catfished. What? Like, the dating profile does not match. I'm pretty sure he's Fletcher.
That one's open.
Look.
Yeah, it does look like the dragon, but the coloration's completely wrong.
Yeah, like there's no tie-dye to him. Look
Is
at
there
that.
more options
no.
than just Fletcher?
Look at that and tell me. That's not Fletcher. I'm getting like doppelganger. Look, his belly is white. I mean, he's cute. I like that he's green. But like, oh my god, it's the crab. The orange one was good. Oh my god, I love the little crab. I'm dead. Oh my god, this is so cute. I've been so lucky. I've got all different ones. I knocked on my wood in my car because watch me get a repeat. If I get a repeat, I could give it away on my WhatNot. Follow my WhatNot. I did my first stream. It was definitely fun and I want to keep doing it. So if I get a repeat, I will like do a giveaway with it. And yeah, I love these guys. They're so cute. Most of this clip is just us opening these damn things.
Sure about this? Is not opening. This is called struggling.
It's still attached. Look.
This is called struggling, not opening.
Like this one was good.
Luckily, my key has like a dig point that actually can dig into it.
Like I don't care if like the chicken, like the plastic thing, like gets ruined.
This thing?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, screw it.
Well, like I have all these. I mean, this is Sid the snail. I let him live in it.
I thought you wanted the plastic to be a perfect shape.
Not really. Oh my god, another crab! We're giving this one away! Okay, I'm gonna leave it and I'm not gonna pull it out because I'm gonna give this away on my WhatNot. So definitely follow. I don't know if like this video will be up before the WhatNot I give this away. But I think I'm gonna try to like sneakily like film a little bit when I WhatNot, at least if I do a vlog for that day. So yeah, I'm gonna give away the crab, which is a really cool one. I love the little crab. But yeah, I got 2 more for my little collection. There's a guy next to us. But yeah, we got this catfish dragon and this cute little crab. What is your name? Callie. Callie the crab. The Super Bowl is over. The Rams won. But yeah, we're gonna go and do our tradition of Frankenstein and go to Starbucks. So yeah, even though you guys are already sitting on a Starbucks water cup that we got earlier today.
You sure you don't have enough Starbucks yet?
Nah. I get points if I go again today. If I get a tea. I love the teas.
See, the point system works all the time, eh?
Yeah. It's funny because I'm studying this in one of my business classes about like loyalty systems and everything, and I get trapped by like Starbucks. Other ones not so much. But yeah, I also got my hair done. I don't know if you guys could tell. It's definitely lighter, but I feel like that did nothing.
Congratulations, the sun's out.
Yeah, I feel like it's hard because no, it's not gonna show. Maybe I'll show you guys later. But yeah, we're gonna go to Starbucks and then we'll probably head back. I have a meeting later tonight for my projects. But yeah, we'll keep you posted. Bye.
I was like,
Join my WhatNot. I'll put it in the link in the description. Alright, so we got Starbucks. If you want to know my order, I have no idea. Sounds like somebody blew a gasket. But yeah, I get a venti peach green tea with 4 pumps of classic syrup and light ice. I think in the grandes they put like 4 pumps, but I feel like it's a little too sweet for me, so I do 4. And if you want to get a grande, I do like 3, maybe 2 actually. If you want to like try this out and tell me what you think. It's pretty good. So yeah, we're going to head home and see our puppy because we miss her so much. Little Ammo. We always try and bring her with us, like whenever we go to the office or we go with work. Like always, like if we have to, like I'll stay in the car with her or Ben will. We like to take her with us all the time. She's just like our little best friend. So yeah, we'll catch you guys later.
Think about the times you let me go.